Is your lunch break just a lazy pause? What if that same break could recharge your entire afternoon? Do you want to move from lazy lunch breaks to lightning afternoon productivity with lively afternoons? It's time to turn the table on your lunch break. Introducing the Power Lunch Formula, a game changer for your afternoons. Over the years, working in various organizations has taught me a handful of invaluable tips for managing both professional and personal life efficiently. Specifically, I've mastered several strategies to make the most out of my lunchtime, a crucial part of the day that can significantly enhance your overall productivity. These are real proven techniques that have transformed my midday breaks into a powerhouse of rejuvenation and focus. Today, I am excited to share these insights with busy moms like you to help streamline your daily routines and turn every lunch hour into a stepping stone for success. Let's dive into these practices and start making every day a little bit easier. Introducing the Power Lunch Formula. Now, let's see how simple shifts can revitalize your day, boost productivity, and strengthen family bonds, all while you unwind. Ready to redefine relaxation? Let's make your lunch break work for you. POWER stands for Prepare, Optimize, Wellness, Energize, and Reconnect. Let's dive in and transform your lunchtime from overlooked to overachieving. First step: preparation for post lunch activities. During the first 15 minutes of my lunchtime, I usually found a quiet corner in the office cafeteria to catch up on some reading. I had been following some online courses, and bit by bit, I managed to complete it over a few months. This small dedication each day had opened up new perspectives for me, making me more prepared to tackle my afternoon tasks with fresh insights. So, what you can do is you can dedicate time for your personal development. That is, set aside the first part of your lunch break for activities that contribute to personal and professional growth, such as reading, online courses, or planning. Now, the second thing you can do is break down big goals into small ones. Tackle larger learning objectives in small, manageable daily sessions that can fit into a lunch break, making progress without overwhelming your schedule. Third thing that you can do is enhance professional skills gradually. Use consistent short periods effectively to build and refine skills that can enhance your career and personal life over time. Now, in Power Formula, we are coming to the second one: optimize. While I enjoyed my lunch, I often joined my office colleagues for a bit of chit chat. It wasn't just about socializing, these conversations sometimes sparked new ideas for work, offered solutions to challenges I had been facing, or simply provided the laughter I needed to recharge. It was surprising how these casual interactions could optimize my mood and productivity for the rest of the day. So, what you can do is you can combine eating with engaging, utilize meal times to engage in meaningful conversations with peers that could lead to creative ideas and solutions for work challenges. Second is you can cultivate relationships, strengthen workplace relationships through regular informal interactions that not only build bonds but also enhance your support network. Third is you can recharge through social interaction. Allow the social aspect of your break to refresh your mind and spirit, making you more productive for the rest of the day. Now, the third one in our Power Lunch formula is wellness. After lunch, I made it a point to step outside for a short walk, whether it was around the block or just to a nearby park. This walk was my moment of solitude and reflection. It was my way of separating the morning's busyness from the afternoon's tasks, allowing me to approach the rest of my day with a calmer mindset and increased energy. Now, what you can do, you can incorporate physical activity. Make time for a brief walk or some form of light exercise during the break to separate the day's phases and to rejuvenate your body and mind. Second is you can create a mental reset. Use the break as an opportunity for a mental reset, distancing yourself from the morning's stressors with a physical activity that helps clear your mind. You can also promote mental and physical health by regular midday movements. It can improve both mental clarity and physical health, which are crucial for maintaining energy levels throughout a busy day. Now, the fourth one is energize. I found that listening to podcasts on topics ranging from mindfulness to professional development during my lunch break significantly boosted my energy levels. It was like feeding my brain while I ate. This habit had become a part of my daily routine, enriching my lifetimes with learning and inspiration. Spend part of your lunch break listening to podcasts or audiobooks that motivate and educate you, ranging from professional topics to personal well being. You can feed your mind just as you nourish your body with food. Use this time to feed your brain with knowledge and insights that keep you engaged and excited about learning. You can build a routine of inspiration. Develop a habit of integrating intellectually stimulating material into your daily lunch routine to enhance both your lunchtime and your overall day. Now, the last but not the least, it's reconnect. Right before I dove back into work, I took a few minutes to call my son. It was usually the time he was on his way back from school or getting settled in at daycare. Hearing about his day, his little adventures, and just sharing a laugh together recharged me emotionally. This brief connection put everything into perspective, reminding me of why I did what I did every day. So you can touch base with your loved ones, use a few minutes before returning to work to connect with your family, checking in on your children or other loved ones to maintain strong emotional bonds. Share and support. Exchange stories and experiences that can uplift your spirits and remind you of the bigger picture beyond the office. You can also do an emotional recharge by having brief check ins because it can provide a powerful emotional boost, helping to put work in perspective and rejuvenate your sense of purpose. So, mothers, integrating these strategies into your daily lunch routine can transform what might seem like just a break in your workday into a powerful period of personal growth, wellness, and connectivity. Each element of the Power Lunch formula serves to enhance different aspects of your life, proving that even amidst a busy work schedule, there are opportunities to enrich your day, support your well being, and maintain strong bonds with those you love. These strategies not only make lunch breaks more effective but also ensure that every aspect of the day contributes to both personal fulfillment and professional success. For more such insightful videos, please subscribe, like, and share with mothers who are struggling to make the best use of their time. Thank you. Bye bye.